Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the Metis quest or campaign on Layer 3. It's an introduction to Metis. Will take you, might be a two-parter. Well, it will be a two-parter since these next four unlock in 7 or 27 days. So we'll be back in about a month with part 2 of this, but we have actually 7 if you include the one I've already done. We'll kind of cover what Metis is, how to bridge in there, aggregate your assets on there, the future of Metis. We'll get into some vaults and swapping and liquidity pools and perpetual futures. So all kinds of good stuff in this little campaign. So if you're and the Metis token, I think, has been booming recently with the whole crypto airdrop hype going on in different ecosystems. So it's one to pay attention to and get in the ecosystem and just play around with different applications. So before we get started, thank you for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the cool stuff we get to learn, and all the fun rewards that we earn along the way. And if you have any questions or comments or need any help with anything, jump in the Discord. Get in there. I'll be able to answer your questions faster and help out much faster than I can on YouTube. So jump in there, interact with other people, and yeah, let's build a community together. So let's dive into this. First, we'll kind of take you through, I don't remember if I did a video on this, but we will bridge to Metis. So Metis is an Ethereum Layer 2 that offers simple and fast smart contract deployments, enhancing speed, cost, and scalability. Andromeda, the Metis mainnet, forms the basis of its smart Layer 2 infrastructure. Provides a comprehensive solution, security, scalability, decentralization, speed, storage, and support. Implements open protocol with Ethereum virtual machine equivalents. And then we've done the quiz. Now you can bridge either from the mainnet or a bridge on Rubik or Stargate. Stargate, you're interacting with Layer 0, although I don't know if there's still going to be, the snapshot's probably already been taken for that, but Stargate doesn't have a token, or they do, but yeah, never mind. So you might want to, honestly, use Rubik for this, since they will be, they offer incentives, they offer their token as a reward for using their platform. So bridge to Metis with any of these networks and send your 25 over. And this one is already done. So we'll get into the future of Metis and then aggregate. Maybe. I think that's the next one. So the future of Metis, gain in-depth knowledge of how Metis L2 will harness ZKM technology to bring hybrid rollups to life. ZKM is building a platform to facilitate Ethereum as the global settlement layer, utilizing MIPS instruction set. I don't know what MIPS is. Zero knowledge MIPS. The mission is to build one zero knowledge platform uniting the fragmented Web3 universe. That's cool because there's different pieces of blockchain ecosystems that are similar to others, but it's just they don't all connect very well. So this is a place where they can all come together. Yeah, optimistic rollups and ZKM equals hybrid rollups, the best of both technologies. And Metis L2 will implement the ZK technology to become the first hybrid rollup on Ethereum, enabling enhanced security, enhanced censorship resistance, and near instant finality. So what's the primary focus of ZKM.io? Building an interoperable blockchain for all L1s, 2s, and IoT devices. What does ZKM.io aim to transform within the blockchain ecosystem? Interoperability and efficiency. Begin your ZKM journey today. Contribute, earn points, and savor the unfolding of a reciprocal relationship that grows with your every contribution. So we'll go there. And let's check out ZKM. Okay, so this looks like where developers can come and earn points and... Okay. I'll go ahead and verify. Okay. I guess we gotta do this. I need to log in with my phone. Pew, 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 pew. Yes, please log me in. Am I a human? Do I look human? My face human? I promise I don't have like one of those fake skin masks that a robot would wear. Oops. I didn't click all the polar bears. I clicked one, but not the others. X marks the spot. That's cool. This hides my silly hair. Okay, we gotta do this again. Man, how'd they get that close to those polar bears? Someone did a good job photographing those. Photographing. Okay, let's get in this Metis Discord, or this ZKM Discord. Let's see. Okay. So get in that Discord and it will allow you to move on. Thank you. That was very knowledgeable, actually. Okay, we're going to actually just do the next one. So swap an LP on Metis. We'll swap $10 of USDC or USDT to any token. You can use Hermes, Hummus, or NetSwap. Next step requires depositing ETH USDC Metis pools, so swap accordingly. So here we will swap our USDT into USDC and ETH because we want to deposit into those liquidity pools, or no Metis. We might as well just swap Metis token. Let's log in here, connect our MetaMask. Oh, okay, yeah, select your list to trade from. Now what we can do is add this into, actually, I'm gonna add this into my wallet so that way I can see my token allocation. And what we want to do is do some USDC. Oh yeah, we need some Metis. So we actually need some Metis tokens. So we might need to do this aggregate on Metis first. Okay, so we'll go back into this aggregate on Metis. So learn about Hera, OpenOcean, and Rubik, the top aggregators in the Metis ecosystem. Hera Aggregator is built on a unique architecture with the AI-powered Pathfinder algorithm. Interesting. It can be developed, reprogrammed, and is self-learning. OpenOcean is a highly efficient DEX aggregator protocol, sourcing liquidity from multiple DeFi markets with seamless cross-chain swaps. And we've used OpenOcean quite a bit in the past. We've done some campaigns on there. Rubik, if you've been following for a little while, you've used Rubik quite a bit. Hopefully have racked up some Rubik tokens. Rubik aggregates 70 plus blockchains and testnets, enabling swaps for 15.5 thousand plus assets. That's a lot. With the best rates, liquidity, and transaction speeds. Sometimes not always the best rates, or the best gas fees. So keep that in mind. Shop around different DEX aggregators and see which ones. So hold at least some Metis in your wallet for gas. We go to the bridge to Metis, and yes, we do need to bridge some Metis in. So let's go to Rubik. I'm gonna bridge some Metis. And I would think actually, I don't know how much, I would say if you can bridge like $5 or $10 of Metis, that would be good. Just so you can cover any future transaction fees. Yeah, and then we will bridge over to the Metis right here. I'm gonna bridge $10 worth. Oh, trading is not available. Let's see if this is. Interesting. So I'm not sure how to get the Metis token, but we can find out. So we go to CoinGecko and search for Metis. I think their search has been having issues. So let's see if we can. Yeah, CoinGecko's having some issues with their search function, so we're gonna look for Metis on here. So Metis, where can we get this at? Okay, let's go back to CoinGecko because this is messy. So we'll look at, I think it said it's 131. So we'll check this out. We'll look for Metis right here. Oh, 140. Okay, let's see what networks we got working with. So only Ethereum. Yeah, those aren't really great. So it looks like you'll have to bridge either from Ethereum or send it from an exchange. I might have to do that. I'm gonna have to send some Metis from my exchange. Let's see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Metis and then send it. Full send it. Okay, and then we will withdraw this. I don't know what the... Oh, my brother's calling me. So the minimum amount is 0.006, and I'm only getting like $10 worth, which is 0.12. And I'm going to send this onto the Metis network. The Metis. So I'm making the withdrawal now. I need to send my email, the code. So you can skip through this if you'd like. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Okay, we should get that soon. Thank you, CoinGecko, for having this available. This is a much cleaner chart than the other one we were looking at. So the withdrawal has been confirmed, and thank you for that. So let's see when our Metis will arrive, because we can't do anything without the Metis. Actually, I'm gonna log out of Rubik. Let's... So I wonder how long this will take for it to deposit. I haven't done it on here yet, so... Yeah, and it was sent out. Yep, there we go. So we got our Metis, and now we can swap our USDC or USDT into USDC. I wish you could do a split swap on here, like splitting this up between USDC and Ethereum. I think that would be a good move right there. Okay, now we verify. Now add liquidity on Unimaya. Add at least $10 worth of liquidity in either ETH USDC, ETH Metis, or Metis USDC pools. So we will go ahead and do Metis. Close out of the Hermes. That's how they say it. Get started. Okay. Now this looks a lot like Uniswap and 1inch. Similar layout, user interface. Okay, since we have Metis and USDC, we'll just go ahead and do that. Metis, USDC, and we'll just do best for stable pairs, full range, and we'll do I'm just gonna do the full, or just do $12. Approve your 2 token spending allocation amounts, and then we will add this liquidity in. Add it up. Add it up. Okay, now that we've done, got our Metis, we can complete this quest. Oh no, actually, we'll come back to that. Okay, we'll preview this and now add our deposit. So there you go. Your deposit has been added. Now you can share the quest, send it out, or wait for that to unlock. I'm going to remove my liquidity. So fees are reasonable on here. They're not the cheapest, but they're reasonable. Definitely better than Ethereum. Yeah, quest complete. So we got the rare chest. Oh, and an NFT. Nice. That's pretty cool. So we'll go back to the aggregate on Metis. Actually, yeah. Disconnect from here. Now we'll swap from at least 20 USDT or 20 USDC to any other token. So it looks like we need to swap back into USDT or USDC. One of the two. Open Ocean. Or we can use Rubik. Just all depends. Let's see which one's cheaper. Let's see which one has the best. So let's connect our wallet to each one. Let's check it out. Ba 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 ba. The heck? Why is there no? That's weird. Okay. We'll just check it out on here first. And actually, I might just do Rubik because I do earn tokens on here. So we'll just go ahead and do it on Rubik. And Open Ocean is cool. The interface, it just seems very laggy. The network in its, or the project in itself just seems a little laggy. All right, now so let's see what the bridge fee, actually that's $2. So let's see what the bridge fee is here, or the swap. Because if it's cheaper than Rubik, let's check it out. If it's the same, okay. I'm gonna swap on Rubik just because I get tokens back. If you want to use the other one, go ahead, but I'll go ahead and use Rubik just to get some of that token allocation. Okay, now we will swap all of it. Let me make sure. Actually, to any other token, let's just do Metis. Because I don't know if it'll count for going USDT to USDC. It might, but if not, I just want to be safe. Make sure it counts. So let's get this transaction signed, and bada boom. Wait for the swap to happen. Let's see if we can get this to verify. There we go. And we're gonna cancel out of here, disconnect. There you go. We've got our Metis. So we'll log out and share this if you'd like. Ooh. Swap and smile. You like my room? The background's so funny. All right, let's continue on. Onward and upward. And with NFT, Starlight, beautiful. So next up, Lend and Prosper on Metis. So Metis Layer 2 is a first of its kind user-friendly platform built to scale Ethereum and facilitate infrastructure development. The recent integration of Aave Protocol v3 brings enhanced capital efficiency with valuable new security and risk mitigation features. Metis also has lending and borrowing markets like granary finance available in its ecosystem. Lend your assets of at least $10 to Aave or Granary on the Metis network. And you can go, let's go to Granary. Since Aave already has a token, I don't think Granary does. So let's check out the Metis ecosystem. Connect our wallet. Let's go to Metis, click your browser wallet, and then you can come here, see the amount deposited and borrowed. So we can come in here, let's deposit, and it says at least $10. So I think 0.13 or 0.12 is I'm just gonna put 0.14 just to be safe. Okay, $12, yes. So maybe 0.12 for y'all. And we will deposit into the pool. Yeah, doing this campaign isn't really cheap because the transaction fees. So it looks like, okay, we've deposited our Metis, $12. And this you might have to refresh. And it's used as collateral. So no transaction found. So we have Metis. We've deposited into the market. Now, why know you work? Might be a glitch in the Layer 3 website. So it looks like this is taking a while to confirm. We'll just hold off on that one. And then move on to the next one. So perps on Metis. So learn about perpetual trading on Metis and open a long or short position on Tethys. On Tethys. At least $10 in collateral. That Tethys. Man, you heard about that Tethys? Man, that boy got that Tethys, I tell you what. Don't even know what that is. Tethys. Alright, we're gonna connect, and since we only have Metis available, we're gonna do a, yeah, look at this Metis token. Jeez, just going crazy. So we're just gonna do a quick little scalp right here. So Metis will go $0.124. Ooh, yeah. We go 2x, enable some leverage. Let's just get a trade. At least $10. Now we'll long. And I think you can use less with interesting. Interesting. Okay. Now we'll verify. Trade for TLP. Now you can close out of there with your max. Damn, is it really $3 and $4 in fees? Whoo! Yeah, bro, y'all gonna be going broke using this if you're not careful. That's wild. That is wild, sir. Okay, now let's token swap. We need to swap at least $10 worth of assets on Tethys. So $10 worth of assets. Let's actually I'm gonna go back and see if this is verified yet. Nope. It's okay, I'm gonna withdraw this so I can have some funds to use. I'm not really liking the fees on Metis, to be honest. If you go through a campaign, you want it at least be under $5 in transaction fees. Okay, I withdrew that. We'll close out of there. So we will swap for TLP. Get that TLP. TLP. Where is TLP? Okay, so go to earn. I guess if you open it right here, it would go there. But go to earn, and we will trade for TLP. So buy TLP. We can buy it with Metis. Oh, so we go right here. Okay. So 0.124. Now let's make sure does this have a lockup or anything? So this is the token that you need in order to earn rewards from the token pools. So yeah, it's gonna cost you $2 in gas. And maybe I'll just hold on to that as part of this ecosystem, I guess. Airdrop hunting. I'm just gonna leave that in there. So yeah, the fees not great. Not great. Unlock Perpetual Harmony. Hopefully they do a good airdrop incentive for being for having high gas fees. Okay, so last up, beefy vaults on Metis. This quest is to introduce users of the Metis network to understand and utilize auto compounding vaults and use Zap feature. So beefy is a decentralized multi-chain yield optimizer. Oh, that's a mouthful. That allows its users to earn compound interest on their crypto holdings with safety and efficiency in mind. The main product offered by beefy Finance are their vaults in which you stake your crypto tokens. It automatically increases your deposit token amount by compounding arbitrary yield farm reward tokens back to your initial deposited asset. So you don't have to worry about claiming tokens or rewards. Automatically does that for you. Despite the name vault suggests, your funds are never locked in any vault on Beefy. The requirements: have Metis in wallet on Metis network for gas and have at least 20 in assets. And then zap at least $20 of USDC, USDT into the following vaults. So Hermes, go into Beefy. Oh, right there. Now we might need to swap over on Rubik. Might need to put some more into Metis because we need at least 20. At least 20. Yeah, and we don't have either. So we can just put one token. Oh yeah, what did we use? USDT. Go to Metis. Oh, let's go Arbitrum. So yeah, almost $2 that it's gonna smack you with. Not the greatest. Weird. Strange. Ooh, Rubik and Mantle. Yeah, I know this is a good interface. We're good. Okay, let's bridge over into Metis. It sucks having to do this multiple times, but I didn't realize the fees were going to be so high to swap and make transactions, and just not a good model. And I know this bridge fee is kind of high. Hopefully we get some kind of pop off with Rubik tokens. Okay. Now we're waiting for the target chain. Once that arrives there, we can deposit into the vault. So we'll be back in 3 minutes. Or you can fast forward 3 minutes. Actually, let's swap back to the Metis mainnet. And we can check on this lend and prosper. There we go. Just have to give it some time. You know, these things are kind of finicky. So this swap is waiting for the Metis network. And you can see it just showed up right here. So I'm going to refresh this page and log out of Rubik. So there we go. We have our 21. Who it is, 21. And we'll deposit all. Hey, let me see. Let me go back to the other quest to make sure that everything looks good. Okay, this is the Hermes, and at least $20. Okay, we'll deposit all. So there's only one transaction, or is there multiple? Okay. Yeah, look at that gas fee. Looks like my money's gonna be staying in here for a little bit. I don't know about you, but paying $10 for or $10 for this whole campaign, $15, that's not good. Okay, now we hold our deposit for 3 days. I'll probably hold mine for a lot longer if the fees aren't dropping. And I think, yeah, that's it for this part one. The next part will come back in about 27 days, and we will explore synthetics, the stable strategists, advanced strategies, and the crown. So I hope that you at least enjoyed getting to know the Metis ecosystem a little bit more, what it is, what's in the ecosystem, or a little bit about what's in the ecosystem, and potential airdrop incentives for projects in this network. So a lot of good stuff to explore here. But if you have any questions, comments, jump in the Discord and I'll help you out as quick as I can. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.